All right, I do believe I'm live, so I'm trying to record this. I want to do a little spot on Pocket Network, tell you a little bit about it, tell you what I know about it, how you can find out about it if you're interested. This is not investing advice at all. I'm just sharing some information. So check it out, see if it's something you want to do or not do. Of course, in crypto, you can always lose all your money. So that is something to keep in mind. Sorry that my lighting stinks. I'm still experimenting with this new software and learning how to use it. So kind of experimenting with you. But most of the important stuff is going to be on here. So that should not be a problem for you. So let's take a look here. First of all, you should be able to see this screen. We have Pocket Network. There's their logo. They have a YouTube channel where you can listen to the business side of it if you want. And then you can go to the website at pocketnetwork.io, I believe it is. And you can find out all about it. You can sign up for news links and things like that. Now, what is Pocket Network and how did I hear about it? I heard about it quite a while ago on actually on Crypto Love. He had an episode on May 27th, 2023. And what he did was he used a service, and he's a Crypto Love is a YouTube personality that he's really good with charts, and he does it in like 10 minutes. So I recommend you watch him. He's got tons of subscribers, and I like him a lot. So you should check him out if you want a good 10-minute overview of the charts. He's a Bitcoin positive person, but he does go into altcoins. He's got a good experiences using a service called Token Metrics, which I will have a link, a referral link to that. But this was picked out by Token Metrics. They use AI. This company actually helped pick out Polygon Matic, and I picked up on that lead, and I did very well with Polygon Matic. It was selling for a few pennies by the time I bought it, and then of course it went over to $2, and so I made a lot of money on that with just a few $100. Turned it into thousands and thousands of dollars. So very happy about that. So will it always work like that? Well, no. But is it a bet worth taking for some folks? That's for you to decide. For me, it was. So anyway, Crypto Love, May 22nd, 1923. Top crypto altcoins for July 2023. You can watch that. He actually goes on Token Metrics, and I don't know what that was, I just dropped. He goes through and reviews it, and they have really good coding. So because of this, I signed up with Token Metrics, and I've been using it, and I'm very happy with it. I have an affiliate link, and you can ask it a question. What's the best crypto coins for 2024? Or what's the best AI coins? And it'll go through and set criteria, and it'll tell you, and you can go through the whole review and check out, everything that's on it as far as the token metrics, what it has, so that you can decide if that's something you want to do or not. All right, so let's go into it some more. So that's how I found out about it. Token Metrics is a service that reviewed it, found out that it had excellent coding from the code perspective. So what is it? It started in 2017, so it's not a brand new project. I invested in it a few months back. They are building what they call a DPIN, and what they do is they allow all sorts of other cryptocurrencies to run on a network. And so they're on 42 different chains right now. And they've got a lot more in the works right now. They're getting ready to, or maybe they just got on the Ethereum chain. But this is very affordable for cross-chain, and it's very techy, and it's a building community. They're very professional. They have weekly meetings typically. If you want to find out about the governance of Pocket, you've got the all these different things here: staking, voting, meta governance, things like that that you can do to be a part of it. What is it? Well, again, they're transporting data across 50 different blockchains. It is part of what they are building is a global network of thousands of nodes that distribute across 22 countries. And this is building up the just the transferability across chain type of things that help crypto to flow. And you can read more about it here if you want. They have a governance there, how they do their governance. You can browse their documents. So here's the users. RPC providers. These are businesses or individuals that provide RP services that interface the protocol through gateways. Gateways are how they can transfer the information. There has to be, they have Grove, and they have these nodies. They have host gateways, so you can host a gateway if you want. You can host a node, and you will get paid for that. You have to have 16,000 pockets in your arsenal to be able to support a node. And you do that right on, you can do it right through the wallet if you want to operate a node. You do have to have a server. There is requirements. You can go into Pocket Network and find out what those requirements are if you're actually that techie, you want to run a node. It's something I'm kind of interested in. I haven't done it yet, but I am staking, and I'll talk to you about that as well. So they have Web3 developers, Web3 applications make a consumer base of Pocket Network. They make the RPC request to the blockchain data available for gateways, and just makes more interoperability for the blockchain. Here's some of the things you can do. You can run a node, you can do staking, different kinds of nodes, validator nodes, servicer nodes, custodial staking, non-custodial, supported chains, chain rewards, and then a list of pools. So how do you buy this? I do believe it's on a few different exchanges. I think it's on Gate.io. I think you can get it on maybe OKCoin. I've used, what have I used? I have used, let's see, what am I open to right now? I have used SimpleSwap. So you may need to go through a VPN to do this. I've had good success with this. I would say do not use SwapSpace exchange. I had bad experience with them, very bad experience. They did make it right, thank God, but I had to go through a lot of pain to make the transaction go through. I had to file a big complaint, and it was on the internet, and it worked out in my favor, but it was such a headache, and they weren't about to help me until I really started to threaten to give them a lot of bad publicity, and then they finally did make the exchange. So SimpleSwap, I have not had any issues with, but I have run through a VPN on that, so that's up to you how you want to do that. But there it is, SimpleSwap.io. If you want to stake Pocket, you can stake it on Pocket Pool. It doesn't pay a ton because they have to supply the node, and it is a full, it is a server. It is actual computer server, and pretty beefy at that. So it's not cheap for them to have to operate that once they pay for their service provider to the internet, and then they run their node. But there are people. It says here, I said 16,000. It says at least 15,100 Pocket tokens. So what we should do is go look at CoinMarketCap. I should have had this ready already, but I didn't. We will check that out. And let's see, we can look up a coin here. Pocket, the ticker for that is POKT. And that should get us Pocket. It is Pocket Network. They have wrapped Pocket, so I'm not aware of this, but have not looked into that. I guess it's once it's staked, I guess, which there it is. So right now it's going for 28 cents. It was up to 30 cents. If you look, I hope this chart will show you. Now, this criteria, again, the criteria that's picked this out is the same criteria that picked out Matic. Now, will it do the same thing? There's no guarantee. But if you look, the all-time high here was $2.29. So from a 28 cents to $2.80 is a 10x. So will it go above that? I don't know. I mean, anything's possible. If it were to go above that, could it do a more than 10x? I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I'm hoping it would. So it would have to go to $28 to do 100x. For this type of coin, I mean, I don't know that it would go that high, but a 50x, a 10x to a 50x is possible. It's possible. I think it could do it. Now, it would have been better if you would have bought it down here when it was 2 cents. That would be better. That's where I started buying it, about 2 or 3 cents. So, I'm doing pretty good with I've already done, almost 10x, I guess. So I'm pretty happy. I wished I would have put more into it, like everybody else. But that's where it's been. That's where it could go. I think if you look into this and you follow them, if you can listen to their company meetings, it might be a little techy for you, but they're definitely doing the right thing. And they're building this RPC base layer, and they're serious. This is a serious company, in my opinion. So unlocking the benefits of decentralization across 5 core areas: governance, supply, demand, capital markets, and tech. They are bringing on some upgrades here very soon. There's a lot going on in this company. I think it's definitely worth looking into if you're looking for kind of one of those ones that is not in the public eye. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe they have some interest from Coinbase as far as they might be investing in this. I'll have to double check that. So here you can see, here's some of the chains: Polymatic, Fuse, Ethereum, Radium, all these different Binance. So, I mean, they are getting a lot of action. And they don't have the hype. Everybody's not talking about this. So this could be a good, a good outlier that could earn you some money, possibly. I don't know if now's a good time to buy. I mean, if you could have bought it earlier, obviously that would be better. So, if you did get in now, you might want to hedge. But, I mean, the market's down right now, and this is still doing good. So that says something right there within itself. You can go to their Telegram group. They've got Twitter, GitHub, YouTube. What else was I looking for? I was going to tell you something. I can't remember what the heck it was. Yeah, here's some of their latest stuff that they've gotten going with endpoints. Look at all these different chains here. This is amazing. Good deal. Get and use Pocket. So here's some instructions: how to get involved with it. And let's see, what else do I have? I think that is about it. I know there's more to this coin to talk about. I have a pocket wallet. It works pretty good. Haven't had any issues with it. Like I said, if you want to stake it, you can stake it on Pocket Pool if that's something you want to do. But check it out. I think it's a good project. I really support it. Not investing advice, but there you go. And with that, I think I'm going to be out of here. I wish you all the best, and hopefully this will get out there soon, and you can check out Pocket. Check out our link for Token Metrics, how you can maybe pick out some 20x to 100x or maybe even better coins with the AI and all the research that they do. I think it's worth it. I'm definitely signed up myself, and I'm really enjoying it. Take care. We're out.